lady say no have no herb. Me say, then how me see my jump around and I say have herb. Lady say, got one little herb plant inside the yard. I go like.
You might get your 1 gram off it. 1 gram yield.
Let me tell you, in time we get when the herb like come here. Me have the herb here now I come up Matthew. And we get some my seed. And go throw them because them herb here this 3 months herb. Then I go too far. Them man they I'm go just bunch on fertilizer herb, you know.
You know what my friend did? He put Ferdy on his plants. They're going really nice. And he put so much he burned them, so all the hairs turned like black. Yeah.
And that herb, Matthew. Does ever want herb, Spliff? Does ever want herb, Matthew? And that friend, are the one who show me?
That's the one I showed you the picture of. So he only did it on a few of the plants to test. But yeah, it fucked up like 3 of the good ones.
Oh man. If that man have a herb, you know, I take it, you know, because the whole of your blood, like head chop off, you know. Fertilizer herb not good. You know? I seen one time fertilizer, I think the fertilizer herb is good. It's not good none at all. But it's when you get the short day like November, December, and you have blazing natural herb like, alright. November, December is a hard month that in a cold, you know? So you want the ganja to move, to speed up. At that time, I see the bamboo, when I tell you, I go chop down there, so I want to play the mat, you know?
Up top there, yeah.
And I want to drive up some short there and I'm chin. And wicked green skin short there. Let me find out there.
Any seeds?
I
thought you saw a seed for a second. You just stopped in your thoughts. I was like, uh-oh, what happened?
Yeah.
Hey, what happened?
See them?
Oh, yeah.
See like fuckery.
A few, yeah.
Yeah, man, and them black.
The black ones are good ones, right?
Yeah, man.
Ratty, turn it down, man. Turn it off.
You can't see where I do something from us about with them foolish idea there. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here.
I got some pictures from my friend too. So there he is with his yield.
And you heard them now?
Yeah.
All of them are ganja.
Yeah.
When time up there, go back there, where you show me?
So in the bucket?
No,
in the back, no, it's pine trees.
I'm going them there also. How much tree there? So one in a bucket.
Yeah, he's got like a bunch in the bucket, looks like. Good size.
Sucker. Sucker, right?
And then that's in the bucket, a little better shot. And then, oh, he just found a bunch of mushrooms too. And then I was like, look at this one. You guys are doing the same time.
That one I produced. That one
yeah, that's the one of you I got yesterday. Looks good, yeah.
My God.
It's a great shot.
Ganja them pretty to RASTA. Man must say, boy, then the man there go. Yeah. You hear that? Man is serious bad.
Serious, like as tall as you, looks like.
My God.
Yeah, it's a great shot.
Them pretty as fuck,
yeah. Especially when you've got it all cleaned up and prepared.
Clean up and pretty like that, like what it prepared.
Yeah, it's like ready to go.
What about them that we're taking a bush as well? Them that one, yeah.
Oh, I got some good shots of that too. Not on the phone though, but on the video. And then, oh yeah, that video from Sean. Yeah, this is the one. I think I played you yesterday. Play. Oh yeah, there.
Happy Harvest, Matt and Mokko.
Good your folk. Oh, big boy and shit, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
That's Sean. Big up Sean. Sean and Jenny. My friend since grade 1. Yeah. Yeah, wait till I did take some awesome video of the one in front of the house. When we do a house tour video, that's when we'll show that plant off. It'll be wicked. People love to see that. I swear you'll get so many guests just from having the one big plant in front of the house.
But then come then and say, Mokko, you cut down the ganja tree. Me say, boy, every man me come and praise God, you know.
Every time you see that one.
If you look every man, you know, see Mokko stand up and look, I smoke this clip and I look at it so. See there the girl run come over there so, when sunrise come in the yard and come and say, Mokko, oh you nice bush or so? I hide and I smoke those clip. Me say me come and some come pray for me herb, them got a meditation. Yo, not touch me herb, leave, you know. No break it. Everybody could have passed and not see you in a little bush here.
Yeah, it looks crazy. It's like so big, man.
Man, it come like God bless me this year to blood. January star. I wouldn't mind he could have ended there forever, but he can't do there forever. But if me get no seed out there, then same seed there come back, you know. Man, it must give me seed, Matthew. If I have one.
Oh, you always get one, yeah, at least.
Me not look to get one, you know, as the word speaking, but me know me I go get seed out of it. If I have one or two.
No, me have 6.
So when you plant seeds, like I fucked up my crop this year by planting 2. I got 2 males. I didn't know there were males till way late because I don't really know what I'm doing. So are you able to tell quite early when you're going from seed which ones to kill and which ones to keep? How do you tell the male ones when they're so small?
Oh, all right. You see them there? Like them there now? Them the one, yeah, when you see them grow like that, and if the woman one grow fucking straight like her, like how you see the tree there. Right now I do nothing. Right now spring. Now look at body round it, body like how you see them there and got the body.
Yeah.
The mad one must grow fast and tall.
But I thought the males did that.
A 4 in that's you know, Matthew. And me take out one of them in a mad.
Yeah.
And then me say, oh, let me take it out. And then you say me know, me don't left you one with mad people. We fuck up all of them there. We get the breed of the herb now. But me take it out so over there, I pure virgin herb them. So right say if I have that herb, every time he make a cut there, then the people they want herb, I know the people that come. Matthew, what girl come there so? What $1,000? What 1,500? What 2,000? What $20? Me get another herb there to blood. That June me see what I mean.
Yeah, it's quick. Well,
Alright.
yeah, I guess that, yeah, it's same as our season. Maybe a little shorter.
When woman come make picture, woman come weep and down river fall. Yes, we come this up, we come make ganja picture, brother. Real man, you can't believe this.
Yeah, that one's crazy.
Yeah, man. Everybody.
That is the award. Some award-winning herb.
Man, people come there and look upon that every day. Everywhere they talk about that one ganja tree. I could have worked on a ganja, so. I tell them, the man tell me then I go get no seed, but me have some seed there right now too. For them there, I have some seed
Daniel,
right now.
me see you.
Shannon, no come up, you know.
So who that walking lesson?
Kenny, Shannon, come by credit before.
I don't know, we got plant all them there bush, Matthew. And got a couple of them there, 100 trees of them, the rotty there.
Yeah, imagine a field of those. A jungle.
In the jungle.
An herb jungle. You wouldn't even see it. You couldn't tell nothing. It just looked like the forest. Yeah.
Shannon, you know back up from
Yeah, it would look wild.
Yeah, man. This no house, no round it, just go bucket up to an bush. Growing like hell. Round it surrounding by bush. When breeze blow, it not do nothing. You know, me want to see all them herb, yeah? Them type of wicked man herb, yeah? Peter, me want to see them a wicked man herb, yeah, when I grow now. All them the way, all this, so. You must consider that. And to that normal. Now you tell a man that tree herb tree, not this. A man have to look and say, that normal?
No, I don't think so. I've never seen it like that.
Yeah,
No,
me not
man.
believe them, I go believe in them.
Crazy.
I mean, not so easy. But when I believe you, see, I'm not through the bud. But man, I go to really, it's longer than the house. I walk and a pit full of pure buds. And what kind of herb that? Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's the crazy thing about it is you didn't even put fertilizer, no fancy shit. It's natural, right?
Yo, that me I make you know. Look, all them banana where you give your feet here, brother. If I don't go to everywhere, a man can't trust Mokko. Every food where that man plant, never plant, put that tip of fertilizer. The man just lucky. Look on them cucumber there. A man then look on them and say, them they full of fertilizer. No fertilizer, man, to come in or use nothing of them something there. Just the man just lucky. Cause when me sow them here, you know, me sow some before and then die. And I tell to Ratty, say, boy, I mean, rain and fall no Ratty, me not argue with fight. And I go back and dig it up, me and him. And we plant. And we take some out of them and can grow on there so. And then they come out really good too. Yeah. And we take out them the 3, 4. And the next me go and me can say, boy, me no know this is going to work out, you know. But me I left 3, you know it. These 3 there. And me no believe that people thinking in the normal blood clot. John, if you tell a man say yo, brother, look on this. It's out of the old region. Where you believe? Where you believe the guy saying get it from? It come from Russia. Where you believe?
Russian herb. I never even heard of Russia as like a big ganja place either.
And the man saying get it from. You know, one like a pretty little white something. And say Mokko. When me and Danny come a road, he said to me, say, Mokko, got a surprise for you. Me know you're gonna like it. When he come and give me 2 of them little. Then I know them to one of them there, but me know say it must in a me house. Me know where there. But me I go sweat in October. When I see him, each of them in some little shine something at you.
Yeah.
And some little something like seal long.
Ah, okay. Travel easy.
Yeah. And when him come on road and tell me saying got a big excited for show me and tell me and sitting, you know. And then that's the herb. You can see. Then I go got no seed in a Mokko. I say, yeah, give me them herb seed from foreign and I got no seed, brother. I say, you will see how them grow, but they don't carry seed. And again, when we see a different type of herb, Matthew, them bud from top, the long one, if you look, the big green one when you look back out there,
Yeah.
look where you see that bud from the top.
All the way down. Like 10-foot cola.
Me not talk the big pretty one no matter, the green one.
Ah, yeah.
It bud from top, come down. Boy, it mean got to have 20 of them that to RASTA, right? Jano, I could have get couple footage, couple pounds.
That's the funny thing if the government's saying, oh, you're allowed to have 5 plants or something. Okay, I'll have 5 of those. You end up with just pounds of herb.
But at that, I'm at that make me not kill. Me want the breed, and me must get the breed. The same time I get the breed, again, me mad it. You know? Put make the mad come between it, cross it, and get the breed like enough seed out of it. But when me have a plant that one good jungle, cool, nice level place, because I know where. Like how that did it on a level land. Yeah. Matthew, I couldn't believe it. I never knew say in a COVID virus me that Mokko and I gonna get some good damn ganja. And big ganja. Man, Mokko go no sleep and look on it, you know. Hey, Mokko I pray to him in a mind time, you know. Me not go out no there is one. Just that one just see Mokko and a mind time early. And them here, actually, you see them black them here?
Yeah.
Them are so, they have nearly like before. Even that's them herb here, the sunny man them a plant. Plant them herb here. The year man them, for the year, and them herb here them a plant. But you know what I go do now? With this, I go black this. With some form of zinc, bap, and make your herb sense you up. Make them bud up. Because you don't have to bud that one, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Where you left for my day, where you cut off. Piece of something, sell it.
Come show me the big one so people can see what we're talking about. So.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Every morning Mokko go to pray. This guy, whoa, what the hell? No. Hey, Manjo, I may have some of that one too. But me can got a bush, but not this side. But I see him, but I feel with him Jamaican on that, you know?
Nice.
And goat and sit me and then out.
What? Damn, they eat everything, eh?
Bash them down, man. Run at the next side, go by the next side, so. You see what I see me dig up and show them there? When you see me, I cut them out there. When we go up over there, that's how I show them. I mean, show some behind. And when I see the goat, I get wicked from the bone, I know, you know. And the man take it from the man. Because I keep it on it blood cleat, you know. They know, you know, sir. I'm not playing anything with man. I'm a little bush, you know. My little bush so nice.
Till it
Can't
gets
come on, go kill it out in a coronavirus, brother. I want to be smoking, you know.
Yeah.
And the thing is, I don't like smoke ganja. You see me there now? I give you a clip. It alright, eh? Where we know it grow? You go up, me and you don't know when we get ganja out there and we say we have fuck on ganja. But you gotta have me bush and see how the herb grows. So that man I put no fertilizer upon it in those one thing strong, nice, powerful ganja. To smoke with grabber and some cigarette a corner there in the backside.
That goat thing's crazy though. I wonder if they got messed
That's
up.
6 months.
Eating all the ganja, the young ganja plants. I don't want to ruin anyone's plants by having a goat eating all their stuff.
Right. And come the man, them mash them down and no heat them eat them Matthew. See that then time yeah? I have my corn and my peas Matthew. And nobody no respect nobody where people that work. So we survive. And I even me want to kill them because all the one of me that want to chop him in the face. Goat no know where my do. Animal.
Yeah, it's not
And the man who they with the behind that raise it, we get a slap in the face, big man. Oh, where cow and goat no know where the man
Yeah,
do.
they're just being cows and goats.
Yeah, I'm at you know because your cow no make your donkey or where you are, no make it go RASTA place, no, because that we did if RASTA catch it, you know, no hawk. He didn't catch it coat or cow or anything in place, and I don't see nobody that they didn't go and chop it up wicked, you know. That's why I will if a man work on the God. Hey,
Hey,
have mercy.
hello to Mercy.
Have mercy. Yes, sir.